Docusign on the weekly chart right off that 200 SMA. That is key for us, but now we are rejecting that 9-day EMA. So it's all going to be about these two moving averages here on this weekly chart. You can see we close below 70. That's also going to be a problem for us, but really we care more about this 9-day EMA and then this 200 SMA right here on the weekly chart. Those are two levels, two moving averages that we really like to look at as far as long-term and short-term harsh resistances and supports for us. So that is what we're watching as far as our weekly chart in here. Those are trading at 72 and then 66.70 respectively. If we can get above that 72 level, then obviously we have the 73.80 in here. That was our previous support. That would be a nice resistance for us to breach. And then above there, looking right here at the 79 or that $80 level. On the downside, anything below this 200 SMA, you're looking at 64.76. And then below there, you're going to be visiting right around the $60 or the $61 level in here. So we're going to see if we can get a little bit of a pop, but it looks like we're going to consolidate in between these two. You can see that once we crossed over here fully with this 9-day EMA and at the 200 SMA and got some separation, we're getting sucked right back into it. So a little bit of a squeeze probably going to happen in here, some consolidation between the 66 and the 72s, but we do have some decent implied volatility. So perhaps we can get a push through either one of those off of a $3 expected move priced in by this Friday. So that is kind of what we're looking at in here. 9-day EMA, the 200 SMA on the weekly chart, 72, 66 respectively. Let's see which one breaks first off a $3 expected move priced in by this Friday, $4 priced in by the following. We do have earnings coming up December 4th. So that is going to be something that we're looking at. So a little consolidation before an earnings run would be healthy in here, but overall we do have a downtrend, it looks like. So just kind of stair-stepping our way down in here. So a little bit of visiting off of these 66s wouldn't hurt us that bad, especially setting up before an earnings run in here. So that's what we're looking at on Docusign. We're going to see what happens off of a $3 expected move priced in by this Friday. All about that 9-day and the 200 SMAs. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.